All right, fifth graders. I like this assignment for a couple of different reasons. It's a story called Strike. Okay, it's historical fiction. So I think that can be a little more fun to read about characters. Nonfiction is interesting, but sometimes it can get a little dry. So this is historical fiction, and it's about Newsies. So I don't know if you've ever seen either the Newsies movies. If you have Disney Plus, there was like an original one back, I don't know, in the 90s, maybe in the early 2000s. Christian Bale, if you know who that is, he's an actor. It was when he was young. Or there's a musical version, a Broadway musical version. Anyway, if you have Disney Plus, they're super fun. I really love that movie, so I think that's why I like this assignment. Anyway, it's about newsboys who would sell newspapers. Okay, and they went on strike because they didn't feel like they were being treated fairly. So they stopped working until they got treated more fairly. Sometimes workers will do that. They'll go on strike. They'll say, we are not going to work until we get paid a certain amount. I think we watched a Brain Pop video about Cesar Chavez, who led strikes of different farm workers, or nurses have gone on strikes in Minnesota in the past 5 years, maybe. I don't think teachers have gone on strike, at least not in Robbinsdale, to my knowledge, at least not recently. But it's when workers say, we need to be paid more, we need to be safer. They have usually certain demands that they'll make, and they won't work until that happens. So, that's just some background to what this story is talking about. You're circling 5 words with an R-controlled vowel syllable. How do you know it's historical fiction? Other than just it tells you at the top. What sort of things? Like, oh, it's based on real events, but it's these made-up characters. What is a newsie? Why did the newsies strike? And how can you find out about the news today? All right. Remember, you can have it read to you. So all you just need to do is click on text to speech and then click the words. If that's not working, go to the top right, those 3 little lines, and click OCR for scanned PDFs, and then it should work. If it still doesn't work, let me know. I think that's, code word for this video is R, A-R-E, R. That is the word for this, so you should be putting together that phrase. See if there's just one more word, and then you'll have the whole phrase for this whole week. All right? Good luck.